These are tough conditions though. Him and Adam got a job ahead of them. Out with the iron.
Shot, Tom.
Yeah, if you're a high launcher, this is going to be a tough day. It's going to suit the guys like Justin Harding. I think will be very good this afternoon.
I'm really looking forward to watching Thomas Pieters, because John talked about it there, that patience is going to be key. We know that he's got a bit of a short fuse at times, and there are going to be times today where that is going to be tested with Pieters. So can he hold it all together?
141 yards for Thomas Pieters.
Down the green. Yeah, good shot.
Yeah, good shot. Quickly back to the first, and a birdie chance here for Thomas Pieters. Good friends Dietrich and Pieters, they won the World Cup of Golf for Belgium a couple of years back. Not an official victory on the European Tour, but they did bag checks for about $900,000 each, so not a bad week's work.
Get over it. Get over it.
So ahead at the second. Thomas Pieters letting go with the driver. Wants it to get over the bunker, no problem. Won't be much clubbing from there.
Adam asking it to get over it flew it by a country mile.
Massive drive down the left. Thomas Pieters 203. That's all he's got. Just in the first cut. Cracking light. Coming in high.
That's just going to ease off down the left side there in that roll-off area. Makes the pitch a little harder. Lovely swinger though, eh?
Isn't it just?
Adam's in his ear. Here we go.
Certainly off the back foot.
Yeah, low root, Tom. Oh, it's a beauty.
Harding. Nice shot.
Good decision, good execution.
I mean, Thomas Pieters here, great drive, 86 yards to go over the bunker. On a slight downslope, this can come out a little bit flat. Needs a good strike and spin.
Yeah, perfect. And they're very nicely played. Just turned that very slightly into the breeze as John was talking about, and that's how he gets the soft lander. Start, he needed it. He double bogeyed the first hole. Here he goes, so he's back to +1 for the day. Pieters trying to get to -5 inside the top 10 if he holds it. In it goes.
Looking to add to his 4 European Tour victories.
Well, 196 playing 186, playing 10 down, and he's in for the middle of the green. Good call that. Tough pin today. 22 on and 3 from that right hand side, right by the water.
No birdie for Aaron Wright, the 4th, the par 3. Here's Thomas Pieters.
Settle down. Okay, pretty good.
Look at that ball there. It looks like a marble, doesn't it? Hitting the driver, trying to cut this one in from left to right.
Yeah, he had over 300 yards there, Boxy. It was a tall order. It was a lovely lie. All uphill that second shot.
He's done well there.
He's rather good at that shot. Do you remember the one he hit in Abu Dhabi last year?
Yeah, the 8th, wasn't it?
Back a hole to the 6th, and Thomas Pieters. Driver to this point at the par 5. Oh, that's another excellent shot from the Belgian.
83 yards for Pieters. Massive drive down the right hand side. Feathering this one in with maximum control needed.
Yeah, I think he just knew, didn't he, in flight there, that that was just too far right.
Yeah, putting through the fringe here, Thomas Pieters giving Aaron Rai a free read, breaking off the right. Slow putt though. It's a tough green, this one. You know, there's a big ridge. Just go straight up the middle of this green. You get one side of it where this pin is at the moment on that right. Anything spinning and the wind going that way as well. It's inevitable to be down in that right-hand side where Aaron Rai and Thomas Pieters have been. He's going the high option. I think it's a good move. Oh, this got calmed down.
As John Morgan said, this, you know, multiple ways to have played this shot. Needs this for a par. He'll be very annoyed if he doesn't make it. Just a shortish shot in here for a second. Ouch.
First drop shot of the day. Sometimes, you know, it doesn't matter what you do, you can't change it.
No, you just can't.
Yeah, all three players through the back of the green. Thomas Pieters flying it all the way with spin. Not easy, just had a face full of sand just before he hit that as well, so he was just wiping his eye. It's not easy out here.
For Thomas Pieters also went over the back of this green. I think 95% of the field were over the back of this green today with this breeze. So moving left to right, and a drop shot for Thomas Pieters. 2 drop shots in the last 2 holes. That's what he thinks of that. Golf ball gone into the water.
Yeah, coming from the right side here, Don. Nice play, iron off the tee, but kind of short-sided where that pin is today. 14 on, 4 from the right. Brings in that bunker on that right-hand side as well, and is straight down the breeze. Bailout is just a couple of yards left of this pin. Needs some spin though.
Yeah, well done. It's the 4th easiest hole on the course today. It's averaging 3.89, so guy's expecting a birdie here.
This one, it feels like it wants to break off the left, but I got it inside the hole.
Oh yeah, what a good putt that is. That was so difficult to read and to judge and to keep the putter head still. Very needed after drop shots on the 8th and the 9th. Moves him right back into it at 5 under.
Oh, flip of the coin here between Thomas Pieters and Aaron Rai. I think Thomas Pieters is going first. Plenty of green to work with, little bump and run.
Yeah, nicely played. Has to hit it firmly into that breeze as well.
148 for Thomas Pieters down the right hand side. Nice high ball flight, got it to stop pretty quick. Not an easy fairway to hold. Bunker comes into play down the left. Now the easiest pin position you'll see all day here at 14, way back 26. You can use the bank behind.
Be on the number, please.
Yeah, be on the number, it certainly was. Looks like he's going to pick up a birdie there, Thomas Pieters. Roll this one in. We have to within 2 of the lead. No problem. 4 players on 6 under. Four wins on the tour. Looking for win number 5. Might well come here on Sunday.
Thomas Pieters trying his hardest not to fall into the bunker.
Yeah, heels off the ground here, Tony. He's got to clip this one off the top, and it is rapid once it gets on the dance floor.
Thomas Pieters to stay within 2. be. Still a bit of meat left on that bone as well for Thomas Pieters.
To watch another European Tour video, click here, and to subscribe, click here.